Highland Cow Cold Weather Survival Guide. The Double Coat System. Let's start with the coat itself, because it's not just long hair, it's actually two coats working together. The outer layer is made of long, coarse guard hairs that can grow over a foot long. These guard hairs act like a raincoat, shedding water, sleet, and snow before it ever touches the skin. Underneath that is a soft, dense undercoat, almost like a built-in thermal blanket. This undercoat traps warm air close to the body, creating an insulating layer that holds heat in. Together, these two layers create something scientists call a microclimate, a warm pocket of air trapped right against the cow's skin. Why they don't need body fat? Here's the wild part. Most cold climate animals survive by packing on thick layers of body fat. Highland cows barely need that because their coat does the insulating work fat would normally do. That's actually a huge survival advantage. Less fat means less food needed to survive brutal winters. In the harsh Scottish Highlands, food can be scarce for months at a time, so this fuel-efficient design is a massive evolutionary win. Their coat essentially lets them outsource the job of staying warm, so their body can spend energy elsewhere. The Scottish Highlands connection. This breed has been around for centuries, developed specifically in the rugged terrain of the Scottish Highlands and Hebrides Islands. We're talking freezing rain, brutal wind chill, and rocky mountainous terrain with very little shelter. Farmers selectively bred these cows over generations, favoring the ones that survived the coldest, harshest winters. Over time, that selection pressure created an animal practically engineered by nature and by humans for extreme weather survival. How the coat adapts seasonally. Here's something most people don't know. The coat actually changes with the seasons. In winter, it grows incredibly thick and long to maximize insulation. In summer, Highland cows partially shed that heavy coat to avoid overheating. It's essentially a built-in seasonal wardrobe change, all regulated naturally by their body. The iconic look is functional. Even that long, shaggy fringe hanging over their eyes has a purpose. It acts like natural sunglasses and a bug shield, protecting their eyes from flies, debris, and harsh sunlight. So basically everything about their look, the layers, the fringe, the thickness, is functional survival gear, not just an adorable aesthetic.